just want to appreciate this one stop before Wimbledon. This is called Donald Road, and this is a tram stop. I just want to appreciate it for a minute. It's been 70 years since the trams have been across the City of London, 1952. It's the 5th of July and the 6th. I just want to appreciate it. When we're here, we have actually got trams. They don't run on regular because you can see the overgrown marshes here, the little grasses bits here and all that. But yeah, you have to appreciate it. Trams today. But it's nice to be here. I'm going to do the full journey back to Pakenham Junction. So yeah, it's going to be a journey. I'm going to get a bus back from there. It's been a nice day. I thought I'd do the last stretch of the tram line. Here's the 70 years of trams in London. We're technically in London because it's still in London, but it's just south of London. But yeah, here's the 70 years. Trams are still running. Shame they're in the south, but the trams are still running. Hopefully get them extended soon. I do love this line. It's a bit of a journey though. Two, 5, 6, 0. And 2533. I'm guessing these trams are class 25s. It's been a nice day on the trams. Got a tram here. How beautiful this is. That this is my last tram today. 2533. It's been an epic day. I mean, it's been 70 years, but nice to know they're still running in the south. And this is what they look like if you ever get a chance to do it. It's worth it for its money. It's a lovely day out. Nice countryside as well. It's goodbye to the trams and to next time. And I'll definitely go on it another time. Don't know when, but yeah, it's been an epic day. It's been an interesting one.